Good morning, you guys. We getting fucked up tonight. I'm sorry.
This one for the friends, showing love to my real ones. Say it with my chest, throw it up.
That espresso having me lit. What? No. Hold on. Okay. So yesterday was a vibe. Yesterday was a good little day. I want to do it again. I want to go to the beach again, but I want to get a workout in. I've been thinking about taking you guys with me really quick to what they call here the Chinese store. But I have a whole bunch of footage downloading from my phone to Facebook because for some reason when I plug my phone into my Mac, it is not showing up. It's not discoverable. I know there's a way to fix it. But you know what? I don't even mind just having the footage in a Facebook message because it's not taking up room on my hard drive. It's pretty much going to be one-time use footage. It's whatever. So I'm thinking about hopping on my scooter, leaving my phone here to download the footage, hopping on my scooter with you guys, going to the store, getting a workout mat, finishing editing this video, putting it up by like 2. Heading to the beach at like 3, 4, stay there till about 6, sunset time, get a little workout in, get a little therapy, talk to you hoochies, and then come home, eat some leftovers for dinner. I need to take out a pack of chicken to Thor to cook tonight and for tomorrow. I'm ahead of my water intake for the day. I try to drink like 4 of these a day, but you know. You know what makes me so sad? Looking at this camera, I realized that I left one of my lenses in my apartment, and the girl who moved in, her and I, we've talked a few times, but she has such weird energy. Like I don't want to contact her because I feel like me contacting her will throw my energy off. So I haven't contacted her or my former landlord since leaving because they both just had such weird energy, especially as I was like moving out. Because as I was moving out, she was kind of moving in, and I allowed this to happen because she needed a place kind of ASAP, and then the landlord gave me like an extra kickback or whatever. But there's a couple things that I kind of left that I wish I could reach out to her about, but her energy is so weird. I feel like she's gonna throw me off, and I'm in such a good place. Like I feel good on the daily. Like every now and again an intrusive thought comes up. Like there's so many things like I wish I had with me, you know, but I had to let that stuff go to get my new life, you know. There's so many things that I just wish I had, you know, just different, you know, material possessions, pieces of clothing that I'm just like, wow, I didn't bring that. Wow. You know, makeup, certain things. I'm just like, wow, okay, that's crazy. It's real crazy that I didn't, wow, what? Oh, that is unfortunate. So, yeah, no. But anyway, I'm not gonna take a shower. I'm gonna take a shower when I get back. I've been up editing, and let's get this day going. Let's get this day going with Mama Red. I'm not sure if you can see what's going on. I have run out of damn gas. I've run out of gas. So a guy gave me a push. I was very close to a gas station. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for life right now. Oh my God.
Buenas tardes, puso. Me estoy enfocado en otra hora.
Oh, good morning. Completo. ¿Todo?
Full.
Sí, todo.
Premium o regular.
Regular?
оставим.
Нет.
Gotcha.
Да, нет, я сейчас это самое, сейчас я тебе перезвоню, ладно? Минут 15.
So that was very interesting. I ran out of gas and somebody had to push me to the gas station. I got my gas. Now I'm in the store. I'm looking for my workout mat, a couple of plant leaves, and then some hair for me. Oh, I want some stuff for my hair. Beads and shit. This is what I'm looking for. Oh. I really like these colors. These hats are not big head friendly. But this hat is cute. I think this is big head friendly. Yeah. I think this is. This is gorgeous. Yeah. I wish they had these bags, but plain. Because I don't really love the fact that they say Punta Cana on them. But I do got something cute that I love. Cute. There's another store that I like that has really cute shoes. Really cute shoes. These. My bag. That is cute. This is cute. Yeah. I honestly really like these kind of shirts. Like, I really do. They're very cute. They're very much a vibe. There's a lot that can be done with these tropical shirts. Come on, Nike. I always find myself over here looking for stuff because these little men's shorts, these little dad shorts, when you know what you're doing with them, you can do something with them. Okay, so let me go get my mat, honey. I really didn't like the prices. Oh. I wish they had these with, like, without the faces on them, because I wouldn't be too upset. Hey. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I'm back home. I ran out of gas. That was a cute little experience, you know. It was nice how quick I got help. I didn't have to sit there long. I was eventually going to ask somebody for help, but I'm really glad they reached out to me, because sometimes it can be a little nerve-wracking initiating conversation in Spanish, because I'm usually like, permiso. Necesito ayuda. And I hate admitting that, but so yeah, everything is good. I got everything I needed. I got the hats, I got the binds, I got my workout mat, I got me some extra here so I can do a little look, a little vibe, a little ting, a little ting-a-ling-a-ling. And everything's good. Okay. Because I'm looking at my email because I'm having a little battle with Shein because I'm waiting on packages, but it's cool. Everything is good. They're like, oh, your packet is lost right now. Well, not lost, but it's still in transit. And I'm just like, cool. I'm in no rush. Nothing in there is like dire. I just want you guys to know you owe me a package, so I don't have to get. And that's it. But did I eat? Oh no. See, that's the thing. Did I eat? You know what? I had espresso. I had a couple mouthfuls of zucchini. I need to boil me some eggs. I like keeping a handful of boiled eggs in the refrigerator because it helps me to make wise decisions. Like while I'm trying to make something good to eat and not like eat up all of my little cinnamon cookies because I'd be hungry. I'll have a couple boiled eggs. I'll be like, okay, let me make a couple pieces of baked chicken in my air fryer with like a side salad. That's what I've been eating like crazy. I'm not tired of it yet. Once I get tired of it, I'll move on to another little meal deal and that'll be good.
To gamble. So this is poker. Yeah, you know how to play poker? I don't know how to gamble. Not a gambling woman. So she has no idea. No.
I can't believe Angel Grace let that little weird man get her pregnant. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am sitting here in the dark. I am editing. I went thrifting. I filmed all of that footage. Hopefully I can get it from my phone high quality because a lot of the clips from my beach trip yesterday were lower quality. I'm either just gonna start bringing I'm either gonna start bringing my camera or I'm going to what? Oh, I plugged my phone into my computer and it wasn't discoverable, but I know there's a way. I know there's a way that I can figure that out. So I'm not gonna stress about it too much. You know what I'm saying? This is new to me. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm going to get some better quality footage for you guys. But today was really good and I got a lot of really cute things from the thrift store. I can't wait to show you that. Yesterday was also just a great day. Every day at the beach is a great day. I'm actually contemplating trying to make the beach a part of my day daily, semi-daily. Something along those lines because I simply love the beach. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm just sitting here. I'm putting the final touches. If you are watching this, oh my God. If you're watching this, definitely make sure to check out this vlog. I'll have it linked. So I just got out the shower. I've been sitting here editing. Like, all afternoon and well, all evening. I didn't have a chance to put my clothes in the wash, but I'm gonna put them in there and I'll probably show them to you in a couple days. Today was a good day, real simple. I'm glad I was able to document everything. What is taking so long? Oh my God, it's saying it's gonna take an hour and change to upload. This is unreal. It's all good. I definitely played myself by just not editing earlier. But yeah, I'm gonna put it up. And yeah, you guys. Really cute vlog. It'll be up late tonight. Probably into tomorrow for some of you guys, but I'm about to pour myself some wine, sit down. I'm gonna make the thumbnail actually and get that all ready to go because I'll probably be knocked out on this couch. It's so early, but I am an old lady now. I am an old lady now. What is this? Okay, let me close this. Yeah, I'll edit the thumbnail and I'll see you guys later. I hope you have a good night. I'm probably gonna finish the last episode of I Am Not Okay With This. It's really cute. It's almost like Carrie meets The Secret World of Alex Mack meets My So-Called Life. It's very teen angsty. I don't want to give too much away in case you just had to check it out. There's only one season though, and I hate that. But anyway, hon, I am going to go ahead and lay my body down, honey. And it'll be a good night. Follow me on Instagram, so I'll be bugging out.
I'm just trying to start daily vlogging, so. I'm gonna tell you guys to go look at my YouTube videos. Like, so many of y'all was tagging me in a post and talking about all this stuff, but no, I don't care about that. Go like my videos. Go comment on my videos. Go on YouTube right now and like all my videos. Y'all always want everybody else to love me. I just want y'all to love me.
I just realized that my microphone is not on this camera. This sound is gonna be trash. All right, you guys, let me go.